Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify guest posting quality using Semrush and metrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify guest posting quality using Semrush, start by logging into your Semrush account. Enter the domain of the website where you want a guest post into the search bar. Navigate to the domain overview section to analyze the overall health of the site. Look for the organic search traffic data to understand how well the site is performing in search engines. Next, check the number of referring domains to assess the site's link authority. A site with a diverse set of referring domains is typically more reputable. Now, scroll down to the backlinks section. Analyze the quality of the backlinks pointing to the site. Focus on the domain authority of these linking sites. Use Semrush's authority score metric to quickly gauge the overall strength of the domain. A higher authority score indicates a more trustworthy site. Next, visit the Traffic Analytics tab. Examine the site's total visits and engagement metrics like average visit duration and bounce rate. High engagement metrics usually suggest a quality site with an active audience. Now, look at the site's keyword rankings in the position tracking section. Identify which keywords the site ranks for and their search volumes. This information can help you determine if the site attracts relevant traffic for your niche. Then, check the Content Analyzer tool to evaluate the quality of published content. Read a few articles to assess their writing quality and relevance to your audience. Assess the site's social media presence by checking its engagement levels across various platforms. A strong social media following can enhance the credibility of a guest post. Finally, summarize your findings to decide if the site meets your guest posting standards. By using these metrics, you can confidently verify the guest posting quality with Semrush. This approach will help you choose the best platforms for your guest posting efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.